Rose says, I'm a teacher in Long Beach, and when I was talking to a friend at a local bank, she mentioned the CalSTRS loans would be coming back in April. Is this true? And if not, is there an alternative for us to that program?
I personally haven't, as far as through the proper channels, heard anything yet. However, Scott and I...
However, from the improper channels, the guy in the corner.
Well, any sort of official channels. But Scott and I, we work with a lot of teachers, and I was actually talking to a couple of them who are teachers where CalSTRS had come down and talked to them about their retirement stuff, and they had mentioned that they expect CalSTRS to be coming back sometime this spring. So I only heard it through clients who are teachers and have CalSTRS.
What's STRS stand for?
State Teachers Retirement System.
Basically, the money that they put away into the retirement system, CalSTRS,
right,
they will use that to help teachers get funded.
Yeah, they pay into STRS instead of Social Security.
Right.
And that program went away just a short time ago?
Well, STRS didn't go away. They offered a home loan program where basically the STRS account or the STRS fund purchased mortgage-backed securities for a specific loan. They came up with their own guidelines, and they said, if you give this to our members or teachers, we're going to purchase the mortgage-backed security. So it was a loan program that they created. And they used to have the 8017, which was an amazing program. That's gone. They're not talking about bringing that back.
When it comes back, it'll be that.
It'll be like a 5%.
There's a new one that they announced just before they suspended the program, and STRS didn't suspend the program. Bank of America bailed out on the program because they were the administrator.
Bank of America bailed out on a program
because the bottom line,
because everybody to keep that.
Well, CalSTRS, they're not a lender, so they had to find a lender who could administer that loan, and B of A was the one that did that, and B of A has completely gone out of that market.
Right. So basically, STRS is looking for a new lender.
Right.
Yeah, there's a loan. There is a CalSTRS loan that they've already defined, and they said this is what it looks like. And it's not quite as pretty of a product as 8017, but it's a decent program.
The other part of her question was, is there anything right now that a teacher, a civil servant, can use to help them buy a house because the STRS is gone?
Yes, there is a community access program that you can use, and that's pretty much for any...
CAP?
Well, that's a special program that we created for teachers to fill the gap.
Because Broadview?
Broadview at our company, because we specialized in public employees and teacher programs, and when those programs went away,
that hurt.
We kind of created sort of a hybrid program that had the best of both programs that we could come up with. But other than that, not something that's profession specific, but there's absolutely fantastic programs like CHDAP and FHA, and there's very low cost, low fee, low interest rate loans.
Okay, Rose. So hopefully, maybe this person is right. Lisa's got a little tingle saying it might be coming back as well.
It's definitely coming back. It's not a matter of if; it's just when. They're just trying to find an administrator.
They just got to find somebody with money to back it,
right?
And they can't count. But
if you're interested, but if you're interested in it, contact a lender, because you may not like the terms of this new loan. You may find that there are way better options out there. So if you're a teacher, at least find out about the loan program, because we know what the guidelines are. And maybe we'll talk about it next week.
Yeah, we got to talk about it when it happens, because hey, we're on a college campus. There's a lot of teachers on
that new program wasn't as snazzy as the 8017, the one that they're proposing. So.
Yeah, you need a much higher credit score, and it's much more strict. So you can find out about the program.
The answer is yes.
The answer is yes.